Good morning, class. Standard 10 Physical Educations. Today's chapter on MCQ questions, multiple choice questions on PT. Each chapters I will give. There is a question will be there. Option will be 4 option will be there. You have to choose correct one. Each question consists of 1 marks as per council guidance. Different chapter is the sports, human growth and development, physical fitness, sports training, body type. All will come MCQ questions. So I will give the questions, just read out. You can find out and give me the order. In textbook, you must remember the year, what type of exercise, what is the cool down. Correct answer you have to think and write. It is not easy to tick and go like OMR sheet. You have to think and write, which is suitable answer for that. It is not a paragraph writing, you will writing the full history type. No. For example, I will give the 10 questions, the health and hygiene service, human growth and developments. What are the question will comes? So in that you have to make a choice. Now question this type of questions. Human growth and development, child development is the study of. Question is, child development is the study of. First option is the behavior of child. B actions, development affecting elements. C, various area of child development. D option, all the above. Well, what is a child development require? See, A also, behavior of child also require. Development affecting element also require. The various area of child development that also require. So your answer is all of the above. These 3 child development is compulsory. So you cannot choose one C or A, B. Your answer is all of the above. All will be child development is important. All the points. So you have to write all the above. Then you will get 1 marks. Second questions. Growth and development are option opposite to each other, similar to each other, complement of each other, none of these. Different child growth will happen. We cannot compare with others. One child will grow fast, one child will grow slow. That is different on each other. So your first question, opposite to each other, no. Similar to each other, no, it not be possible, similar. So complement of each other. That means the children complement each other. That is the right answer. D, none of these. So you have to choose question C answer. Complement of each other. Next, third question. Socializations is that process from which children and elders learn. Socializations, where to learn, how to talk, how to behave, how to roam, how to go out, how to talk to the people. Socialization is that process from which children and elders learn. Where will learn? One is family, and second one in the school, third one in the group. They will learn all social movements, how to behave, how to talk. So is the family also will get, school also will get, In the group also you will get socializations. So answer is all the above. This is a require. Your answer is all the above. Next question. The area of development and learning is the area of development. This is the main point you have to catch. The area of development and learning is option A, communication, language, literature. Communication also required, language also required, education also required. This is option A. Second, B options, narrow thinking and behavior. C option, social conditions. D option, modernizations. Which one we need? Modernization is not required, you won't get any knowledge. Social conditions is not possible. Narrow thinking and behavior, short temper, angry, no. So your right answer is communications, language and literature is the correct answer. Next question, what is meaning of development is? Comparative and qualitative development, first option. Second option, development of physical organs. C, development of intelligence. D option, all the above. Your right answer is these 3 points required for development. This is compulsory. So answer is all the above. D answer is correct. The next question, the first stage in the learning of a skill is A, precision, B, manipulation, C, coordinations, D, imitations. Precision means something is thinking. Manipulations, all ulta siddhas. Coordination also important. So the first stage is learning skill in the child. What will it? Watching others and catching. What is to others doing? They also try to do that work. Your answer is imitations. Learning from others. Next question. Free childhood period is called free child. This is the age normally called infancy is called free age. After the infancy, there is a free childhood period is. Option is 2 to 6 years. Option B 5 to 7 years. C answer 10 to 12 years. D questions 4 to 5 years. Which is the correct answers? After the infancy, that 0 to 2 years. From 2 to 6 years called free childhood periods. Your answer is 2 to 6 years. Next question. The child can identify his name. The child can identify his name. Options: in 5th month, B in 7th month, C in 2nd month, D in 8th month. Which month you can recognize? If you call the child name, you will turn and respond. That month is in 8th month. Answer is 8th month. Next question. The subject of developments comes the under. The subject of development. Point, catch the point. The subject of development comes the under. A option, development area. B, social area. C, physical development area. D, all the above. Developments, you need everything. You need a development area also required. Social area also, surrounding also need. And physical developments, that also we need. Playground, sports, everything we need. That is called, answer is all the above. Next questions. The period of infancy is, the period of infancy is birth to 4 years, B, birth to 5 years, C, birth to 7 years, D, none of these. Which one you call infancies normally? That is from childbirth to up to 4 years is called infancy. Rest of all will comes adulthood, childhood. Whereas infancies from the birth to up to which year? Called infancy. Your answer is birth to 4 years. Next question. Among the following, which factor is, among the following, on which factors the development of human behavior depends? How the human behavior will depends? Which factor? Facts. What is a fact?